Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I hope you and your family are safe during these trying times. My name is Syed Iqbal, and I'm here to talk to you about Xiaomi's Mi Box 4K. This is a 4K Ultra HD streaming player, and in this video, we are going to discuss its specifications, its features, and do a little unboxing to show you what's in the box. Before we get started, let's learn a little bit about a streaming player. A streaming player is any device that connects to your internet and with your TV and allows you to stream digital content through the internet to your TV. Basically, it turns your regular TV into a smart TV. Now you can also connect this to your smart TV, especially if you have a smart TV where some of the apps are not available or some of the apps are not supported properly. I was also in the market looking for a smart TV that supports many apps when I came across this. Amongst the major players in the market, Amazon also has an alternate. It's called Amazon Fire Stick. But I find that Xiaomi's products are better priced and a better quality. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. First you have the user manual, then the box itself. Keep it aside for a bit. And underneath this partition, you get the power adapter, the HDMI cable, and finally the remote. Let me unpack these real quick and be right back. Yes. So these are the contents in the box. Like I said, the HDMI cable, the power adapter, the remote control, user manual, and the box itself. The power adapter and the HDMI cable are pretty standard stuff. Good thick quality cables, so there is no fear of wear and tear. The user manual is pretty self-explanatory. Lots of visual aids to help you get connected and get going. The remote control is my favorite part of this design. It's very frugal, very to the point. You have all the essential buttons that you need. Unlike some other remotes, that come with a million other buttons where you don't even know what they do. At the top is the power button to power the box. Next is the Google Assistant button. You press this and speak into the microphone over here. If you can see it, this is the microphone. You press the button and speak into the microphone here. The box will show up the search result on the TV. These are the navigation buttons. The center button is the OK button for a selection. This button is to go to your home screen, this is to go to the previous screen, and this draws up a list of the apps on your device. I like that they have dedicated buttons for Prime Video and Netflix. If you're like me who use these apps the most, you are in heaven. Plus we have the volume button. I must remind you that this doesn't come with a battery pack. It requires two AAA batteries and you have to have them handy when installing the box. And like I said before, this is a Bluetooth remote, so you don't necessarily have to point it at the device. You could be anywhere within the range, and the range is quite good, I must say. It's about 10-20 meters. If you're within the range, you point it anywhere, just press the button, it'll do its thing. Now, let's look at the box itself. Standard quality plastic. I like its feel, it's not very heavy, about 200-300 grams I would say. In here you won't be able to make it out here, but when you power it on, there's an LED. This indicates that the device is on and operational. On the top you have the Xiaomi logo, and the back is where all the sockets are. You have a standard 3.5mm jack for connecting to your audio devices such as home theater systems, speakers, or even your headphones. The HDMI port, a USB 2.0 port, and the power inlet. This has a red LED inside, so when you connect it, it starts glowing.